Welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to create a scenario. A scenario consists of one or more systems, so if you would like to review the process for creating a system, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. If you already have your systems ready to go, click the Add button next to Scenarios under the Composites section of the main menu. Select Browse Systems, and add systems to your scenario by selecting the plus icon from their asset tile. Return to the builder by selecting View Details from the notification box in the bottom left, or by clicking the green box next to Scenarios. On the Select Components page, you will be able to arrange the systems, as well as assign system roles, designate a master, and define a build order. Next, give your scenario a name, and, optionally, a description. On the next page, you can add configure and/or teardown scripts to your systems. A configure script is a bash or PowerShell script that can perform actions after a system has been built, but before an entire deployment run has been launched. For example, sending a Slack notification when a virtual host has finished building. To add one of these scripts, select Set and enter a name and the script content, and make sure to save any changes you make. A teardown script acts in a similar way, only during the release process. And if at any point you'd like to abandon ship and clean out the builder, simply hit the red reset button on your left. Next, review and create your scenario. From here, you can launch your scenario as a quick build, add it to a deployment, make it available to the Express users in your project by publishing it as a composition, or you can clone it, but these are all topics for another time. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.